What is up, guys? Today we are going to be reviewing this Onnais GunSafe that we just barely got in the mail from Amazon. So we are going to go ahead and do a quick unboxing video, and we're going to show you guys what's inside and what this little safe entails. Alrighty guys, so now we do have the key that we pulled from outside of the packaging. We're gonna go ahead and open this thing up. We're gonna refer to our instruction manual that was included here on how to get this thing set up. We're gonna set up the fingerprint, we're gonna set up our digital code, and you're gonna do that by here. So, first thing that you're gonna need to do is grab 4 AA batteries, which I conveniently already had in my pocket for any situation like this. Alrighty, so just right here inside to the bottom left of the gun safe, you're gonna pop off this little cover here. You're gonna go ahead and install your batteries. Your 4 AA batteries. Again, these are not included, so you do need to have these ready to go. But we're gonna go ahead and throw this back on. Alrighty guys, after you have your batteries installed, you're gonna go ahead and factory reset this. You're gonna do that by quick pressing the reset button 3 times. You're gonna hear 2 beeps. Now we're gonna go ahead and add a digital password. So you're gonna hit the add button here, and then you're gonna type in your password, hit OK, enter the same digits, 2 beeps, that means it worked. So we're gonna go ahead and remove the key here. Safe opens. Now our digital password is added in. Now we're gonna go ahead and add a fingerprint. Hit add. And there we go, just like that, the fingerprint is added. It does say that you can add up to 30 groups of fingerprints, so you can add multiple different fingers. And if you want to reset everything, again, just make sure to hit that factory reset button 3 quick times. Now let's go ahead and go over what's inside the box. In the box, you're gonna have a little activate your warranty card. Make sure to register your product, and it's free to do that. This is what one key came with, and then it comes with a spare key as well. And then it comes with screws to screw down the safe, and then it also comes with cables that you can run through so that nobody can steal your safe, as well as that spare key. Overall, I think this is a really great product. Alrighty guys, so there's the unboxing of this Onnais GunSafe, and I can't really do a full review yet of it because I haven't used it, but I can't wait to get this baby in the truck and see what it's capable of. The fingerprint scanner works great, as well as the passcode here worked just great. Resetting it, 0 problems. Alrighty guys, if you want to get yourself one of these compact gun safes, I will drop the link down in the description below. But that's going to be it for today's video, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.